Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the Bank of Jamaica has intervened in the foreign exchange market for a second time in 2 trading days to offset market volatility.
TVJ News understands that in January, local companies found it difficult to get US dollars on the market despite offers which went as high as $143 for the greenback.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark today refuted claims by the opposition that there's a shortage of US dollars in Jamaica, asserting that the Bank of Jamaica now has the most reserves in the history of the country.
TVJ's Andrew Laidley picks up that story.
Last week, opposition spokesman on finance Mark Golding called for Dr. Clark and the BOJ governor to immediately address the shortage of US dollar on the foreign exchange market. He argued that the problem has existed for at least 3 weeks, pointing out that it has led to the rapid depreciation of the Jamaican dollar. But Dr. Clark says the opposition is taking advantage of a long-standing fear among Jamaicans.
We're in a completely different era, completely. And for them to suggest that is plainly mischievous. Jamaica's economy is in a fundamentally different place. In the past, we have had issues of foreign exchange that are reflecting economic fundamentals. You have had, chronic fiscal deficits or massive debt or huge layoffs and unemployment, chronic instability, high inflation. Those were the drivers in the 90s of what we came to associate with foreign exchange anxiety. Today, our economic fundamentals are entirely different.
So what caused the volatility in the market?
Since the start of the year, there have been higher levels of demand for US dollars coming from large capital market transactions.
Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter says he does not expect the volatility to last very long. But in the meantime,
the bank added another $30 million US dollars to the market in another flash operation this morning. We're aware that the concentration of large capital market transactions that we are seeing is by its nature temporary and will pass.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.